Hello guys, welcome back once again in Robotics YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can use NeoPixel LED Ring with ESP32 board and how you can program ESP32 board using Python. So let's start the video. So first, if you are using first time ESP32 board, you have to do few setup to write the program and to basically upload it, right? Because we are going to use a Python. So for that you need this ID, Thorny ID. I've also made few videos on basically how to start with ESP32 with Thorny Python, so you can watch those videos also, as well as I'll show over here also quickly. So you have to go to tools and then you have to go to options, and then here you have install or update MicroPython ESP tool. You have to just you click on this. Then you have to, after clicking on this, you have to select the port. So when you plug ESP32 board with your laptop, it generates a communication port. So in my case, it's COM5. Let me just quickly show you. If you're working on Windows, you have to open Device Manager. Okay, so I have already opened Device Manager over here. And you can see in the port, this COM5 is there. Silicon Lab CP2102, this is the port. So I'll select that port, and then after that which family you are using. So generally you have to use ESP32 only, but you can read your board description properly. On the board they'll be written ESP32S3. In my case it's ESP32. Then variant you have to select expressive, and then you have to just click on install. I have already installed, so I will skip this step. Once you complete the installation, after that over here you will find this. There are three parallel lines. Click on that and select this. Now you can see green light and red light, run and stop button should be visible, should be enabled basically. If it is not enabled, that means the settings are not proper, your board is not ready for the Python programming, right? So my board is ready, my setups are ready. Now let me start by explaining this code. Okay, so first let me just explain you the connections. For connection I have this thing already ready with me. So this has basically 16 LED. Now in the market you can find 24 LED ring, 8 LED rings, 12 LED rings. There are different kind of rings available in the market, but all are basically all works kind of similar way. Just the number of LED will be lesser or more. Yeah. So here on this there are 16 LED, and there will be like 4 wires, 4 terminals will be there on the rings. D in and D out, digital input, digital output, and then you will have VCC and GND. So try to connect VCC to 3.3 volt of ESP32 board. That will be safer for the LED, so that if you are giving maximum voltage to the LED won't get fused. That's why I've connected to 3.3. And then GND, you have to connect to GND. Do remember D input you have to connect to pin, any GPIO pin. I'm using pin number 4 for D in. Now the point is, what is the use of D out? So D out is useful if you have multiple LED ring. Let's say you have 3 LED ring. This D output will go to D input of the second ring, and that way it will let you connect multiple LED ring. And then once, let's say you are making some some kind of effect where you need to use multiple LED ring, you can use this way, right? So now let me take you there to the code. This is the connection part done. Now you need this thing, this NeoPixel library, and for delay you need time, so that's why import time is there. Number of LEDs 16. I have connected to GPIO 4, that's why 4 is there. Then there is an object of NeoPixel class, and this is basically, it has 2 parameter, pen and number of LED. Okay, now what color you want, this is a third thing. Color is basically what kind of color you want to turn on in your NeoPixel. The first parameter is basically red color, so the maximum value can be 255. You can give any value between 0 to 255. And green and blue I have turned it off. So if you want to turn it on with Minimum value can give any value 10, 10. So this is going to give more close to red, but if you turn on red, green and blue all three with same, then it will give you white color. Okay, so we can change the color from here, what color you want. Okay, now for I in range number of LED, while true is going to run this loop, whatever is written till here, it's going to run all the time. For I in range, number of LED is basically 16. This I is going to run 15 times. Okay, first time when I is 0, it will basically turn on the first LED. I is 1, second LED, like that it's going to turn on one by one each LED with a delay. There is a delay, basically 15 millisecond is the delay, and then all the LED will remain on for 1 second. After that again all LEDs are going to turn off one by one. Why one by one? Because see, you can see here NP is again 0, 1, 2, 3, because I is going to increment 0 to 15. This is a for loop, and again there is a delay of 15 millisecond, and after that again it will be in off state for 1 second. So that's how it works. Let me just run this and show you the output. Yeah, so it's basically working as you can see here. As you can see here, right, it's working properly. Now, if you like this video, please hit a like button and subscribe to Bhujan YouTube channel. Thank you.